Taking care of your kidneys is essential for overall health, and there are simple ways to support their function naturally. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into some incredible natural remedies that can dramatically boost your health, especially if you're dealing with kidney issues or diabetes. We've gathered some powerful insights from the renowned Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a leading expert in natural health, who has dedicated years of her life to helping people heal their bodies naturally. Today, we'll explore 6 amazing foods that can help improve kidney function and manage blood sugar levels effectively. So grab a cup of tea and settle in. This video is packed with essential information that could transform your well-being. Number 1. Okra, nature's gift. Our first superfood is okra, often referred to as lady's finger in many parts of the world. It's not just a tasty vegetable, it's packed with antioxidants and polyphenols that are vital for improving kidney function. Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that okra is a powerhouse for your kidneys, helping to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. But that's not all. Okra has the added benefit of regulating blood sugar levels, which makes it a must-have for anyone managing diabetes. According to Dr. O'Neill, incorporating okra into your meals can help balance blood sugar spikes and promote better long-term control. Its slimy texture, which some people shy away from, is actually part of what makes it so effective in filtering toxins through the kidneys. Whether you toss it into soups, stir fries, or even grill it, okra is a nutrient-rich addition you won't want to miss. Number 2. Oats, a superfood for your kidneys. Next on Dr. O'Neill's list is one of the most underrated foods out there, oats. Known for their heart-healthy properties, oats are also a powerful ally for your kidneys. Dr. O'Neill stresses that oats can significantly lower creatinine levels, which is essential for those concerned about kidney function. For anyone over 50 or anyone looking to manage their cholesterol levels, oats should be a regular part of your diet. They are a natural cholesterol reducer, helping to lower bad cholesterol while improving heart health. But what makes oats particularly special is their fiber content, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a perfect food for people with diabetes. And let's not forget, they're incredibly versatile. Whether you enjoy them as a warm bowl of oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or even use oat flour in baking, you're doing your kidneys and your heart a huge favor. Number 3. Garlic, the immunity and kidney booster. Up next is a kitchen staple that many of us use daily: garlic. Dr. Barbara O'Neill often refers to garlic as a natural antibiotic due to its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. But what you may not know is that garlic is also a fantastic food for kidney health. Garlic contains compounds that support kidney filtration, helping your kidneys efficiently remove toxins from the bloodstream. Dr. O'Neill points out that garlic's ability to reduce oxidative stress is crucial for those who may be prone to kidney damage. And if that's not enough, garlic also boosts immune function, protecting your body from illnesses that can put additional strain on your kidneys. Adding garlic to your meals isn't just delicious, it's a simple yet powerful way to protect your health. Whether roasted, sauteed, or eaten raw, garlic is one ingredient you'll want to use generously. Number 4. Peaches, natural care for kidneys and diabetes. Let's talk about a sweet and juicy favorite: peaches. Dr. O'Neill recommends peaches for their ability to support kidney health and help manage diabetes. These vibrant fruits are low in both sodium and potassium, making them particularly beneficial for people with kidney issues, where maintaining proper electrolyte balance is key. Peaches are also rich in antioxidants and vitamins, helping to protect kidney tissues from damage. And if you're looking for a natural way to control your blood sugar levels, peaches may be the answer. They contain compounds that can help regulate glucose levels, making them an excellent option for anyone looking to manage or prevent diabetes. Whether you enjoy them fresh, In a smoothie or as part of a healthy dessert, peaches provide a delicious way to take care of your kidneys and overall health. Number 5. Radish leaves, the nutritional powerhouse. Have you ever tossed away radish leaves without a second thought? Well, Dr. O'Neill advises you to reconsider. Radish leaves are often overlooked, but they're actually a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with calcium, vitamin C, and antioxidants. These leaves are excellent for supporting kidney health and promoting better circulation. Dr. O'Neill highlights that the antioxidants in radish leaves can help reduce the oxidative stress on your kidneys, ensuring they function at their best. Additionally, they can help flush toxins from the body, further enhancing kidney filtration. Don't let these powerful greens go to waste. Try adding them to salads, soups, or even smoothies for a nutrient boost that will benefit your kidneys and your overall health. Number 6. Shirataki noodles, guilt-free pasta alternative. Finally, let's talk about a truly unique and healthy food option: shirataki noodles. These noodles, made from the konjac plant, are low-calorie, low-carb, and perfect for those looking to manage their weight and blood sugar levels. Dr. Barbara O'Neill praises shirataki noodles for their ability to help people feel full and satisfied without causing any significant blood sugar spikes. For anyone managing diabetes or simply trying to eat healthier, shirataki noodles offer a guilt-free alternative to traditional pasta. They're high in soluble fiber, which aids in digestion and further helps to stabilize blood sugar levels. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. Pair them with your favorite vegetables and sauces for a quick and healthy meal that's perfect for busy days. With the help of shirataki noodles, you can enjoy delicious meals while taking care of your kidneys and maintaining healthy blood sugar. So, there you have it, 6 incredible foods that can naturally improve kidney health and help manage diabetes. All recommended by Dr. Barbara O'Neill. Whether you're incorporating okra into your stir-fry, starting your day with oats, or swapping traditional pasta for shirataki noodles, these foods can make a powerful difference in your health journey. If you found these insights from Dr. O'Neill helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more natural health tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to your journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life.